Recent years, there has been a growing focus on advancing green technologies to help reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and move towards more sustainable energy solutions. One of the most critical components in this shift is the development of batteries. These devices are integral to energy storage, especially in renewable energy systems that rely on intermittent power sources like wind and solar. While lithium-ion batteries have dominated the market for years, a new contender is emerging: sodium-ion batteries. But are they the future of green energy, or are they just another promising technology with significant challenges? In this video, we explore the potential of sodium-ion batteries, analyzing both the advantages and challenges of this technology, while also considering its role in the future of green energy. To provide a comprehensive view, we'll also draw parallels with other energy storage technologies, including the emerging zinc battery technologies being developed by companies like EOS. Before we proceed further, don't forget to hit the like button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. The basics of sodium-ion batteries. Sodium-ion batteries are similar to the more well-known lithium-ion batteries in terms of their basic function. They store energy and release it as needed. However, instead of lithium, sodium, a much more abundant and cost-effective material, is used as the primary ion that moves between the positive and negative electrodes during charge and discharge cycles. Sodium is significantly cheaper than lithium, and it is also much more abundant in the Earth's crust. While lithium is primarily mined in a few key regions, such as South America and Australia, sodium can be extracted from seawater or produced from a variety of sources. This makes sodium-ion batteries more sustainable in terms of resource availability, which is a key concern as demand for lithium-ion batteries grows. Advantages of sodium-ion batteries. 1. Abundance and cost-effectiveness. One of the most compelling advantages of sodium-ion batteries is the abundance of sodium. Sodium is the sixth most abundant element in the Earth's crust and is easily extracted from seawater, unlike lithium, which is concentrated in specific regions. This means that sodium-ion batteries could be produced at much lower costs, making them an attractive option for large-scale energy storage. Furthermore, sodium-ion batteries are not reliant on the volatile lithium market. As demand for electric vehicles, EVs, and renewable energy storage grows, lithium prices have risen significantly. This volatility could be alleviated with a transition to sodium-ion batteries, which could offer a more stable and affordable alternative in the long run. 2. Environmental impact. The environmental benefits of sodium-ion batteries are also significant. While lithium mining has raised concerns over its ecological impact, particularly in regions like the Lithium Triangle in South America, sodium extraction from seawater has a much smaller environmental footprint. In addition, sodium-ion batteries do not contain cobalt, a metal often used in lithium-ion battery cathodes, which is associated with significant human rights and environmental issues in countries like the Democratic Republic of Congo. 3. Performance potential. Sodium-ion batteries exhibit similar performance characteristics to lithium-ion batteries, especially in terms of energy density, which is one of the key metrics for determining how much energy can be stored in a given volume. While sodium-ion batteries currently have a lower energy density than lithium-ion batteries, they still offer a relatively high capacity for energy storage. Advancements in battery chemistry could further improve the performance of sodium-ion technology, allowing it to compete more directly with lithium-ion batteries in applications like electric vehicles and grid storage. Challenges facing sodium-ion batteries. 1. Lower energy density. One of the major limitations of sodium-ion batteries is their lower energy density compared to lithium-ion batteries. The size of sodium ions is larger than that of lithium ions, which means they require more space to move within the battery's electrodes. This results in a lower energy storage capacity, making sodium-ion batteries less efficient for certain applications, such as electric vehicles, where high energy density is critical. However, researchers are actively working on improving the energy density of sodium-ion batteries by experimenting with different electrode materials and improving the overall design. While the technology is still in its infancy compared to lithium-ion, there is hope that it can be enhanced to reach or surpass lithium-ion performance in the coming years. 2. Cycle life and efficiency. Another challenge with sodium-ion batteries is their cycle life. the number of charge and discharge cycles they can undergo before losing efficiency. Early models of sodium-ion batteries have shown a tendency to degrade more quickly than their lithium-ion counterparts. This issue could limit their long-term viability for large-scale energy storage and electric vehicle applications. To address this, scientists are exploring ways to enhance the stability of the battery's components. By optimizing the electrode materials and electrolyte compositions, they hope to extend the lifespan of sodium-ion batteries and make them more competitive with lithium-ion batteries in terms of durability. 3. Lack of infrastructure. Sodium-ion battery technology is still in its early stages of development, and as such, there is limited infrastructure in place for large-scale production. Most of the research and development on sodium-ion batteries is still being conducted in laboratories, and it will take time before the technology is commercially viable at scale. This is in contrast to lithium-ion batteries, which already benefit from a well-established supply chain and manufacturing infrastructure. Zinc batteries, a parallel development. While sodium-ion batteries show great promise, they are not the only alternative to lithium-ion technology. Zinc-based batteries, such as those being developed by EOS Energy Enterprises, represent another exciting frontier in the energy storage market. Zinc is not only abundant and inexpensive, but it also offers several advantages in terms of safety and environmental sustainability. Zinc batteries are non-toxic and can operate at higher voltages, making them potentially more efficient for grid-scale energy storage. They also do not rely on the same materials as sodium-ion or lithium-ion batteries, which reduces the strain on already limited resources. EOS Energy, in particular, has made strides in developing zinc-based battery systems for large-scale storage, which could be used to store renewable energy from solar and wind power. While zinc batteries still face challenges related to energy density and cycle life, the technology is gaining traction, especially in grid storage applications. As the energy storage market expands, we could see a future where sodium-ion and zinc batteries complement one another, each serving specific roles in the green energy ecosystem. The road ahead for sodium-ion batteries. Despite the challenges, sodium-ion batteries have a bright future, particularly in applications where cost and environmental impact are prioritized over energy density. For instance, sodium-ion technology could be ideal for grid storage, where space constraints and weight are less of a concern compared to electric vehicles. The cost-effectiveness of sodium-ion batteries could also make renewable energy systems more affordable, accelerating the global transition to green energy. In addition, the ongoing research into improving the performance and cycle life of sodium-ion batteries could eventually make them suitable for more demanding applications, such as electric vehicles. With continuous investment in research and development, sodium-ion batteries have the potential to become a cornerstone of the clean energy revolution, a bright future for green energy. As the world strives to transition away from fossil fuels and embrace renewable energy, the development of new energy storage technologies like sodium-ion batteries is essential. While there are challenges to overcome, the advantages such as lower cost, environmental sustainability, and resource abundance make sodium-ion batteries a promising alternative to lithium-ion technology. In conjunction with other technologies like zinc batteries, sodium-ion batteries could help pave the way for a future powered by green energy. While there is no single solution to the world's energy challenges, innovations in battery technology are undeniably changing the landscape, and sodium-ion batteries may play a crucial role in making green energy a reality for the masses. The development of these technologies marks a step towards a future where renewable energy is not only abundant, but also affordable and accessible for everyone, ultimately helping to create a cleaner, greener world for future generations. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to hit the like button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Your support means a lot to us. Take care until the next one, and feel free to drop a comment sharing your thoughts. See you soon!